Should I be meeting my Social Security disability attorney for the first time just before my Social Security hearing in front of a judge? Well, the obvious answer is heck no. I believe that you should be meeting with your attorney at least 3 times during the course of a Social Security case. The first time is going to be when you initially meet them. Your attorney at the initial meeting should explain to you the 5-step sequential evaluation process that's used in every Social Security disability case. They should explain the claims process, and they should explain how they get paid. I spend time with my prospective clients explaining what they have to prove and why we're a team and how we work together. My office will work with prospective clients in completing all of those papers that go along with the initial application. And the application process is a pain. So in addition to meeting with your attorney at the time you sign a contract of representation, you should also be dealing in the course of the claim closely with their office, as they're supposed to be assisting you with filling out the claims and dealing with the Social Security Administration. Now, during the life of the claim, I will meet with my clients if they need be, but for the most part, my paralegals do a phenomenal job of handling the claim and helping answer my clients' questions. But I know there are times when you want to talk with me. So when you have questions, your attorney should be available with a scheduled appointment to discuss with you your concerns. Now, the second time I will formally meet with my client is, I think, one of the most important times in a case, and it's why I'm involved with the case. It's trial preparation. When we get notice of the Social Security hearing, we send a link to a mock Social Security disability hearing that we shot. Now, I want you to understand what's going to happen procedurally and the questions that you're going to be asked. So we did this fun video. This sort of sets the stage, if you will, for what a Social Security hearing looks like. But more importantly, I have shot an hour-long video. I call it the direct exam questionnaire video. And what I do in that video is explain to you all of the questions that you are going to be asked, and I explain how you truthfully answer these questions in a way that the Social Security Administration understands. Now, you're only going to have maximum maybe 45 minutes with a judge, and things are going to go very quickly. The judge is first going to ask you questions, and then I get to ask questions and follow up. So I want you to understand how to answer the questions that you get. And we go over the full range of the questions that you're going to get. Now, many times I explain to my clients that I don't expect that you're going to understand right off how to explain your symptoms and functionality to a judge or answer questions about your work history or your daily activities. That's why we practice, and I promise you that during the course of our practice, you will get better. Now, I always ask my clients to fill out the direct examination questionnaire as part of my prep, because I want them to have sat down and thought about the answers and made sure that they've covered everything. I'm taking notes while I am conferencing with you, getting you ready for your hearing. And I use what you've done as a double checklist. So if during the course of the trial you forget to say something, I am circling it so that I can come behind you to make sure that we haven't missed anything. And I, of course, want you to continue to get ready for the hearing by watching those videos. Now, I also meet with my clients prior to the hearing. Now, this is just sort of a quick, let's get all the questions, the concerns, the anxiety out, and let's just refresh our memory about the key points of your testimony. And I think that that is sort of just a bit of reassurance, because my clients are phenomenally prepared. And often they're disappointed that the judge hasn't asked them all of the questions that they were prepared to answer. That's the sign of a well-prepared, well-represented Social Security disability applicant. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security disability benefits, please contact me at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I look forward to helping you get the Social Security disability benefits you deserve.